Hey everyone, my name is Samara Kress. I am doing my field work at an intensive outpatient treatment facility for individuals suffering with drug and alcohol abuse. I'm excited to be in this class because death and loss are a certainty and affect everybody. I have lost many people who are close to me and understand the impact that it has on individuals and families. Often it plays a part in trauma and multi-generational patterns in terms of trust and mistrust and the way that people view the world. So I think that this course is very necessary, very relevant to the career of social work. And I think that I would like to get a sense of how to best interact with clients who are experiencing grief after suffering a loss so that I can better help them through the grief process. So I look forward to getting to know you all, and thank you for listening.